Lovelies, this is a quick one, and it is really from my heart for people who already monetize and the people who are yet to be monetized. Most of you see individuals with 1,000 views, million views, but if you asked them how much, you'll find when they have zero or they have very minimal and less. Now, let's talk about what qualified views for people who already monetize. Let's talk about the views that give you money on Facebook especially. Now this is our topic tonight or today, depending on the time you're watching. So qualified views on Facebook, they often are used in monetization matrices. They are referred to as views that meet certain engagement and watch time criteria. They are used for programs like in-stream ads and creator payouts. Several factors influence these qualified views, whether it is a view counted or a view that is qualifying. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the factors that they make or they qualify your views to them to be paid. Because some of us, we don't know that they are views. You'll see someone having millions of views, but at the end of the day, you don't have money. Take an example of Facebook. You will find you have very many views, but the qualified ones are 20 or 30. So in today's video, we are going to see 5, 7, or up to 7 factors that influence the earnings on Facebook, the earnings on YouTube, and they influence your views to be eligible to be paid. But before I begin, let me say thank you to all my engagers. Thank you for being there for us all these years, all these times, in hardship, in when there's good things and when there's no good things. So, but before we dive into these 5, please let me make this disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. It is not a video that is luring you to make that if you start, you'll make money. No. It is giving you a few tips. If you use or before you're using, please go and research. If you can, you can continue and do it. If you don't, please, all is well. Don't mind. Let's dive in and see the factors. The first factor is watch time. The viewer usually needs to watch a minimum amount of the video. Not every view you see is qualified. It is commonly at least around 1 minute for videos that are at least 3 minutes long in monetization context, especially if it is YouTube. The longer someone watches, the more likely the viewer to qualify. So I want you to go to the dashboard, especially for Facebook. You will go and see your analytics. Then click on analytics. You see how many views and how many qualified. And this one you can even see on the side where you find earning rate. If you find your earning rate is low, earning rate is high, something like that. Besides, you'll find there the qualified views. The second one is viewer intent. You know, there are some people who it's accidental. You be scrolling and you find it is accidental. You didn't intend it. So views from intentional praise, they count more. And views which are there it was a mistake to open, they are not counted. Very few scroll bys or auto praise with immediate skips often don't qualify, because if you swipe immediately, you will not qualify. But a person outside, or me, the owner of the video, or another one will be saying, she has enough views. But they are just accidental praise. The third one is real users versus invalid traffic. And this is a very big point. It would have come the first, but I brought it to the third. The third for people who want to watch longer. So views, you guys, Facebook filters very many things. It filters views for bots. It filters views for fake accounts. It filters views for suspicious repeated plays. Even EU people, only authentic viewers count towards qualified viewers or qualified views. Most people are facing this, and if you hear someone saying, you can't buy views, I have a lot of views, you guys, stop praising views. Views is not money. Most people have done a lot of funny things because of views. Views can be seen as an attraction. Views can be seen for attention. But now to a person who wants to make money, you need to make sure that your views are authentic. They are not for bots. You need to make sure that your views are not from fake accounts. You need to make sure that views are not suspicious or repeated praise, because It will be repeated prayer, but it will not count towards money. But as outside, someone seeing will say, oh my God, she has a lot of views. So be mindful of this. Then the fourth is about ad eligibility in the video. When you're talking about ad eligibility in the video, this is what we mean. If the video is eligible for in-stream ads, qualified views are tied to ad placement opportunities, and they also add to whether an ad actually shows. So be mindful of this and learn about it. The fifth is video length and structure. Video of 3 minutes or longer are more likely to generate qualified views than the ones which have less. Good retention in the first 60 to 90 seconds matters a lot. So if you're out there, you should be, at least if you're there, make your video be 60 to 90 seconds and above. Then we have audience location. Audience location is very important. Views from regions where in-stream ads are supported are more variable than the views from other countries are more likely to qualify. The seventh and the last is about engagement signals. Facebook algorithm also considers likes, it considers comments, it considers shares, it considers replays. High engagement can increase distribution, which leads to more potential qualified views. For example, if someone watches 65 seconds of 4-minute video, the view is more likely to be counted as a qualified view than someone who watches 5 seconds while scrolling. Now, I will give you a pro tip. Tips to increase qualified views. You have to make sure you hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, of which it is always hard, including me. It is always hard for me. Make a 3 to 8 minutes video. Avoid clickbaiting that causes early drop-off, and encourage viewers to watch longer or comment. You guys, hope by the time you reached here, you've already commented, you've already supported, and if you haven't, please do it.